So yep, I shaved my mo. It's all for a good cause, men's mental health. We're gonna leave the link in the bio. We probably shouldn't say the name, just because it's sort of like a collab.
Look at the stash on this guy.
Fresh Movember. Donate to my link.
What's your link, Tyler?
Tell us. Under Tyler. It's gonna be in the description of this video.
Just under Tyler, we'll go with.
Vintage kit dealer. Oh, I mean.
Don't use the name.
And yeah, they want to do a pop-up.
Who does?
No, they want to do a pop-up in between either the December the 11th and December the 24th.
Yeah.
But we got that fashion thrift in Melbourne.
What's up with your screen? It's never bloody on or working.
Don't get mad, man. It's just a bloody screen.
Turn it on at the back. What are you doing?
It was just there, mate.
It's just on.
Yeah.
Look.
What?
Oh my god. You go through the email today.
Yeah.
What email?
Sent to all our sellers. This is the email. What do you guys think? Added a few photos.
Oh yeah, so it's
The
just dot
new
points.
Design. We got vintage, Y2K, pre-love, independent labels, then social media. Got Tyler's journey. He's crisscrossing Australia.
Did it actually say crisscross?
We do. Got
Jump,
crisscross.
jump,
Gonna make you jump, jump.
Don't ever do that ever again. That was actually cringe.
Did that give you the ick?
Have the initial spots for the launch been allocated?
No.
No, not yet, guys. This is going out tonight.
He's all up. And then you grab that other suitcase as well. Getting ready for the market. So, the plan is, we're bringing one.
I'll get it. Just you. Bummer.
Did you get a park?
Yeah, I got a 2 hours ago.
Fuck yeah.
You know what I'm craving right now?
What?
A sausage roll.
That's random.
It's like heavy. What time is it?
7-Eleven sausage roll.
5 to 10?
5
to
to
11?
10 o'clock in the morning. So stew prepared.
This is all the market stuff, right?
This is all the market stuff.
Where
We're
are you
bringing only Nike tees and jorts.
Where are you going?
We're about to head off to Brisbane on Sunday. So it's currently Friday, we're just packing up. This is the best one yet. This one doesn't even have a hanger, or did it fall off? It's been invisible.
What are you rambling on
No,
about?
it just didn't have a hanger, it just fell off. Oh, there it is. Lol.
Got the jorts every colour you want. I'll take Tyler in the lounge, you know? I'll get you some beers. I'll just tell him put his stuff in the other bag.
We're gonna bring-
Just-
we're gonna bring-
Just put it in any bag.
Are you gonna bring jorts? Oh, we're just doing one bag of jorts.
Oh, one bag's gonna be 23 kg. A machine, if you're ever traveling, grab one of these. Don't get charged for overweight luggage.
Oh, no, overweight.
Ooh, we're only 20 kg. We got another 3 kg to get in there. More stock, more money, more problems. So we got the big bag for the wrap. We can carry it on the plane. Hopefully they fit.
Fucking loud as.
Why don't you just put some towels in there?
Look how bloody swimming, mate.
No, for the like sound. But you're so
We
concerned
could
about
probably tape them up.
Tyler's too weak.
It is bloody
Yeah,
weird.
no.
Just let Stu do it, mate. Oh, he's showing off.
Yeah.
It's probably like 13. 13? Yeah, just double check.
Why even do it if you're just gonna make him do it
No, we're
again?
gonna double check everything. Alright, so we get there, but oh, we're 2 kgs over. What are you doing?
I was gonna take a nap sitting up. But now I won't.
Go smile.
Already got the Botox.
Smile.
Wow, you actually have really small lips. He's like you. You have really
You're
small lips.
fucking rude. I'm getting cosmetic surgery. I'm getting the
Yo, you
Botox.
both have small lips. Oh,
Let's go. You look like an old fella.
Hey, buddies.
Let's go.
Not an early one.
How are we, Stewie?
He looks good today.
Fucking beautiful morning. All packed up. Got all the Nike tees. Still got the hiccups. How are we feeling, Stewie?
Feeling good. Let's get in there early.
Nice.
Hope they let our
Early
rack
though.
in today.
Yeah, hopefully they let the rack in. How are we feeling in Brisbane, Stewie?
Nice and warm. Loving it.
Still in the pants. All ready.
Got a good colours tee on today.
Win some awards with that too. We're running on time. I mean late today.
A little bit late. It'll be quick to set up.
All set up for the day. Stewie sweating.
It's hot up here. Good
It's
to-
hot. It's a whole bunch of Nike tees. Jorts.
Jorts.
But we love what we do. We're so passionate about FCS and the community we've created. And I just want to say a massive, massive thank you to everybody who's put their heart and souls in as much as we have to make this event so successful, so welcoming.
We're at the market. How did we go, Stewie?
Pretty happy with today.
Massive
There we go.
day in the store.
That many jorts. Sold like 50 Nike tees at least, I reckon.
Yeah.
So we had full racks. We're down to half, even like quarter on those. So big day. How'd you go with that, Tyler? Meeting all the fashion thrifters today.
Yeah, pretty exhausted, but if we didn't get to, we pretty much went around with everyone. But if we missed you, we just saw you might have been too busy or something. But yeah, it was a massive day. I'm exhausted. We got a positive response as well. Thanks to anyone who came up to me and asked about the OV market. But yeah, but a pretty successul day, to be honest.
Oz man in the store
Yeah,
today.
Stewie man
Well,
in the
how do you
store.
reckon I did, Tyler?
These used to be like full, mate. These are 2 full racks at the start of the day.
We brought up some heaters for this one though.
We did. It was all nice Nike.
Yeah.
But yeah, love the Brisbane crew. Now it's time to get on the flight
Yeah.
of doom back home.
Let's start packing up.
Start packing all this stuff. All packed up, Stewie. How are we feeling?
Pretty good, pretty tired. But
There's all the bags. Last rack in. Time for us to go. True, Stewie? Catch the flight.
we'll do cheers. Successful day.
Stewie.
Down around at the lounge, on the beers. Living the dream.
Big day at the office. Walk out onto the private jet, Stu.
Welcome back to another week of Behind the Counter. This is just a recap on what we did this week. Tyler, why don't you start us off?
Yep, so we flew up to Brisbane on the weekend. We did Fashion Thrift Society. It was massive for OV market. We were just talking to stall holders, and we actually did pretty well in the market. We just brought a few racks because we were going up there anyways.
Heaps of people came up and had a chat, so it was really cool just meeting everyone, and everyone's keen to get on board.
Yeah,
so.
especially the feedback as well. Also, I shaved my mustache, so I'm doing Movember this month. It's to raise money for men's mental health. So we're going to leave the link in the bio so you guys can donate. Every dollar counts. Brooke, do you want to take us through what we're doing this weekend?
Yeah, so we are flying up to Adelaide this weekend to do another fashion thrift market, and we're basically just doing the same thing, going around giving out OV market cards, talking to sellers.
Yeah, and we've also had a massive amount of people sign up over just the Brisbane weekend.
Well, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday, Behind the Counter. Hopefully you enjoyed our Behind the Counter episode this week. These go every Tuesday, so hopefully you're following the journey of how we're building OV market and just what we do behind the scenes of Official Vintage. But till next week, see you guys later. Make sure you like, subscribe.
What's up with the mo?